Hello, my people. If you be someone wey be say, if people see you as you dey pass, they go begin dey pack wetin dem get. If na cloth so wey dem dry for sun, shoe, any item wey belong to them, wey dem no fit lose like that, and you dey pass, they begin dey pack am. They no wan make their children come near you. Make dem no talk say dem dey find one child or the other. Man, they no want make them lose anything. You can't begin to complain, say anywhere where you pass. Now people know they show you love. Now this kind of treatment, now you they get. My brother, everything where they won't tell you, they don't tell you finish. Make you learn your lesson. If you they're too busy, they wonder why this kind of thing they happen. Instead of you to go for deliverance or rehab, they busy, they complain. Wait till you, they wait. You they wait, make them look you face to face, eyeball to eyeball, call you. No it happen. Before that one go happen, you don't enter kiri oh. And so it be. Hello, my people. I beg make una help me share, like, subscribe, follow. And the waiting day una mind, make una go for comment section, go drop am there. Immediately I see am, I go respond. Na me that show you. So, all right, catch you some other time. Bye-bye.